Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to forward a GIF from a group chat on Instagram. Whether you're sharing a funny moment or a cute animation, this updated method will help you do it effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon located at the top of the page. It usually resembles a paper airplane or speech bubble. Tap on it to enter your direct messages. Once you're in the messages section, find and open the group chat that contains the GIF you want to forward. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the GIF that caught your eye. Now, here comes the fun part. Click and hold on the GIF until a menu pops up. This will give you several options to choose from. Look for the option that says Forward and tap on it. After selecting Forward, you'll be prompted to choose the recipients for your GIF. You can select one or multiple friends or groups to share it with. Once you've made your selections, simply hit Send. And there you have it. You've successfully forwarded a GIF from a group chat on Instagram. This process not only makes sharing fun content easier, but also keeps your conversations lively and engaging. Remember, sharing GIFs can add an extra layer of humor and emotion to your chats, making them more enjoyable for everyone involved. So next time you come across a GIF that makes you laugh or smile, don't hesitate to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using Instagram effectively. Happy sharing!